I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable end-to-end encryption for Apple Messages on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Scroll down the menu until you find Apps, and then tap Apps. Step 3. Scroll through your apps list and tap Messages. Step 4. Locate the iMessage option near the top of the screen and then tap the toggle next to iMessage to turn it off. Once disabled, your device will no longer send or receive encrypted iMessages, and your text bubbles will switch from blue to green, indicating they are sending as standard SMS text messages. If you also want to turn off end-to-end encryption for cross-platform RCS messaging with Android users, you can do that from the same menu. Just scroll down to the text messaging section and look for the RCS messaging option. Tap into RCS messaging and then tap the toggle next to end-to-end encryption to turn it off. Keep in mind that turning this off means your RCS conversations will lose their advanced security coverage during transmission. Another method to alter how your encrypted message data is managed is by adjusting your iCloud backup settings. If you want to keep using iMessage but want to prevent your message history from being fully end-to-end encrypted in your iCloud backups, you can downgrade your iCloud security level. This is done by navigating to your Apple account settings, choosing iCloud, and then selecting Advanced Data Protection. From there, you can choose to disable Advanced Data Protection, which returns your account to standard data protection and stores the necessary encryption keys on Apple servers. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.